What if a mushroom could help your brain stay young? And no, I'm not talking about the ones on your pizza. I'm talking about psilocybin mushrooms, often called magic mushrooms. But science is finding their real magic might not be in hallucinations. It might be in longevity. Because what if the key to aging better isn't in your body, but in your mind? Here's where it gets fascinating. Psilocybin is converted in the body into psilocin, which interacts with serotonin receptors in your brain, the same pathways that shape mood, perception, and mental flexibility. As we age, neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections, naturally declines. That's part of why learning slows and resilience fades. But psilocybin appears to reverse some of that. A landmark 2022 Johns Hopkins study showed that even a single guided psilocybin session led to lasting improvements in mood, anxiety, and emotional balance for months. The brain literally rewired itself, suggesting a long term reset of neural networks. And here's the deeper link to longevity. Chronic stress, depression, and trauma accelerate biological aging. They raise cortisol, promote inflammation, and shorten telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA. Psilocybin, by improving mood and reducing psychological distress, may indirectly slow this biological wear and tear. In 2023, Nature Medicine published evidence that psilocybin promotes synaptogenesis, the creation of new neural connections, a potential shield against age related cognitive decline and even neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's. Another target? The default mode network, the part of your brain that loops repetitive thoughts. Overactivity in this network is linked to aging and cognitive rigidity. Psilocybin seems to reset it, restoring flexibility, creativity, and emotional clarity. On a physiological level, early research suggests psilocybin may even reduce inflammaging, that slow, chronic inflammation that drives aging from within. Animal studies show psilocybin-like compounds lower pro-inflammatory cytokines, hinting at benefits for both brain and body longevity. Of course, psilocybin isn't a magic cure or a supplement. It's powerful and should only be used in clinical or guided therapeutic settings. But researchers are exploring its use for depression, PTSD, end-of-life anxiety, and alcohol addiction, all conditions that, if untreated, erode health span. So maybe the question isn't, can psilocybin make you live longer? Maybe it's this: what if healing the mind helps the body age better too? Because longevity isn't just about years, it's about clarity, connection, and the joy you bring into those years. Stay curious, stay open, and subscribe to Doctors Group Official, where we explore the science of living longer, stronger, and more alive, one discovery at a time.